In the previous part, we explained how to do the placement and connection in the basic way. In this video, we want to do it an unprincipled way to reduce size of the board. First, we'll remove this rail and I want to explain one these two rails. I even want to use the half of the rails and assemble the wire the previous panel. Well, if you want to close the board in the unprincipled way, you don't need to follow the order. For example, we close the RCB in this part. Look, we are putting the three-phase input into the panel from this part. We didn't use terminals for input. We put two buttons next to it. We place we place the MCB in this part. We place the single phase MCB next to the three phase MCB. Here, here we use the button of the strap and fasten it. This is the MCB and the signal phase MCB is from the common circuit. Here. Okay, now we come next to it and place the line conductor here. The next part that I want to add is the phase control, which we put here. Okay, which we put here. Next, we will place it without a strap. The last piece we use is the output terminals, which have 1, 0 and 3 terminals for 3 phases. And put null here. It's placed directly under the conductor. Here, 3 terminals. In terms of the safely, the problem should be resolved. Well, we reduce the size of the panel in this way, decreasing in terms of cost. The wiring of the power circuit to the is reduced, which makes the overall cost decreasing. In the next part, I will fully explain the wiring of the power circuit. Will rearrange it like this and added a folder in this part because if we remove this duct we have to remove this wire from this part. The size of the electrical panel is this much. If we want to make the rails closer, the size of the board will be shorter. Well, now we want to explain the wiring of the power circuit, and in the next video uh, post next video I will explain the wiring the common sig. We have to take three wires from RCB and connect to the MCB. We bring the inputs from this part and our electrical panel starts from this part. Uh, we don't put the terminal from input. We wire the red wire and we want to use it in this way. This is the first phase of the circuit, and this is the second one. This is L1, this is L2. We have already wired these wire. So, and the next wire is blue, and we connected already wire showed these wires. I tighten the screw. Okay. Um, Now we number the wires here. Number one, connected number two, the red yellow wire, connected number three to the blue wire here. They are all three input wires, which are red, yellow, and blue, which we specify with a number. Now connect three wires to the conductor and then to the false control. Conductor and bimetal that are connected. After bimetal, we connect three wires to the output terminal and number them. In the power circuit, we must use a higher grade wire. Uh, we wire show the wire first, and we tighten it in this part. Okay, we cut the wire because for a control fuzz I need a wire. We use a double wire show. This end of the wire must be double show wire, uh, double wire show because we need it for a false control. And since the false control does not load, we can use a with a low grade wire. The color of the wire does not matter. Uh, I tighten it here. Okay, I will attach it here. We connect this wire to the control force, to the R base. Here, cut it, and wire show the end of the wire. We do the rest of the wires in the same way. We connect the yellow wire to the conductor and fast control. We also connect the conductor and fast control. Now we need to take three wires from bimetal and connect them to the terminal, output terminal. And we measure and number the wires. First, we connect red wire L1. When placing, try to place the conductor in front of the exercise. And we also do numbering here. Number one, three wires are placed in this part that the wire is connected to the fast control. From B metal, three phases are connected to the output terminals. We connected the power circuit completely. We have three input wires that connect to RCB. After RCB connect to the MCB, then we connect to the conductor and we connect it to the output terminals from B metal. We connect the three phases to the phase controller to show us the phase error. If we does the same things in the power circuit, here is MCB. Okay. Conductor is shown here and the bimetal is shown in this part. And we add the RCB to fix current leakage. If there is a leak, it will cut off the power circuit for us. Will I hope enjoy this video. One thing I have to say is that we use the blue wire and connect to the phases. Uh, it would be matter if we use the color other than the color of the existing wires. I hope you are happy and thank you for watching this video. Bye.